who can apply UK non-tax code NT. The UK non-tax code is used when an individual is not required to pay income tax on certain type of UK income. Typically, this tax code is applied in the following situations. Number 1. Non-resident for tax purposes. If you are a non-resident in the UK for tax purposes and your income is not subject to UK tax, the ND tax code may be applied. This is common for people who live and work abroad but still receive income from UK employer or pension. Number 2. Specific income exemptions. In cases certain type of income are exempt from tax, example, some types of foreign income or treaty relief under the double taxation agreement, the ND tax code may be used. Number 3. The treaty agreements. If you are a resident of a country that has a double taxation agreement with the UK and your income is taxable only in your home country, the ND tax code may be applied. Number 4. ND tax code is usually used if you are going through the bankruptcy. However, this tax code is not applied automatically. You need to inform HMRC of your circumstances and they will assign the ND tax code if applicable. We have uploaded more than 900 videos in our YouTube channel subject related to UK startup, business and tax.